Hadirin balakut kan riusni ke jing toket de ki pulit iki laingut ki bala Sha Iing Kashari ban Buhrieh iki Sakhi satar pat ki Tiar Pyndonkam de Raja Raghuvanshi u bala Sha penyap hasora bala Kiba Donkti ru da ke kurim jong ke sonam Raghuvanshi lambat ki parlok jongka ki pulit mentah kesngi ke arterik unaitung kilawan rabiang iki te ki laingut Sha Iing Kashari District Session and Judge Shillong kita ki laingut ki bakin thop ya Shillong James ulukan drabat balbir. Sha Iing Kashari ka aipor ki pulit bansat khat sausni Shillong James judicial custody katba ya arngut ulukan drabat balbir pan Nyausni judicial custody kani kadikat kum kejingit hu da utushar chanda assistant public prosecutor.
You see, the accused Shillong James, Billa and Lokendro, they were produced before the Honorable Court today after their police custody is over today. So IU has prayed for 14 days judicial custody, and after hearing at length by the prosecution side, I appeared, and from legal aid Mr. Sudeep Rana appeared. So after hearing at length, court has remanded Shillong James 14 days judicial custody and other two accused, that is Lokendra and Billa, for 7 days judicial custody.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.